everybody, and welcome to another episode of Under the Crab Apple Tree. I'm your host, Justina, and welcome back to part 2 of our painting our mermaid crafts. If you missed part 1, you can watch it right over here and click the little info card, and I will show you how I make them. Also, the recipe is also in a previous video that's in my LITHA sun craft tutorial, which you can also find the recipe for the salt dough itself up in this little info card up here. So we're going to paint our little salt dough mermaid crafts, and I have lots of really pretty colors ranging in blues and greens and purples and phthalos. And if you know the phthalos, they're really pretty shades of like sea green. And I have metallic golds and metallic greens, and I have some purple. And then afterwards we're going to glitter them. I have some glitter here, and I use the same exact glitter in my altar sea salt tutorial for our mermaid ocean altars, which you can see up here as well. I teach you how to make the little sea salt offering, and it's really pretty sea salt and it smells amazing. I use essential oils. I'm really excited. I'm feeling really mermaid energy this month. It's July, it's hot, I go swimming a lot. It's really fun to embody all that mermaid ocean energy. And if you can't get to the ocean, you can always bring the ocean to you. And this is what I'm doing right now with my little mermaid crafts. I actually got these little cookie cutters on Amazon. I will post a link for that in the description down below. I am not an affiliate, I just simply love these products. Without further ado, let's paint our little mer crafts. So I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed that my palette ranges from pinks to those aquamarine colors like purples, greens, and then we got some gold in there and some really opalescent, really pretty colors. It's a big difference from my last video where everything was very bright and fiery and orange for that solstice energy. But we're gonna dial it down right now to more aquatic colors and colors that are more soothing and resonate with the element of water a lot more than that fire energy we did in my suncraft tutorial. And we're gonna use a lot of glitters and a lot of rhinestones to really make our mermaid plaques really pop, and these are going to look gorgeous on our altars. So I'm so excited to paint these for you guys today. Alright guys, so it is really hot out here, so far I have done the bases of all of my little plaques. I just painted them solid colors. I did some of the detailing on the mermaids. They look really cute. Now I'm gonna go into all of my flat colored ones with a little more detail, and then we're gonna go over with our glazes and our glosses and our metallic paints and stuff, and it's gonna look really pretty. Basically, you want your undercoat, your base coat, to be completely dry before you go over it with another color, and you want your brush to be completely dry when you start going around it with your top color. So the base coat here, I have purple, and then the top color here, I'm going over it with a pinkish color. It makes kind of like a gradient around the edges, which looks really pretty. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Let's do the rest. Alright, so that's a little better with my dry brush technique right there. I think I'm ready to go into things with some glitter and my metallic paints now, and put some rhinestones on them and make really pretty and magical and ocean-like. So here you have it, guys. Here are my finished Mermaid Salto sea ornaments, and I think they came out so beautiful. I had actually forgotten to poke a hole in them prior to baking so I could string my lace through for hanging them. So instead I put a little hot glue on the back and then just did a little loop with my lace so I could hang them up. I actually decided to hang them from a plum tree leaf branch that I found. It fell off my tree in the backyard and I just thought it was too pretty to discard, so I decided to use it to hang up my beautiful ornaments. Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions about what you would like to see from me on this channel, definitely leave those in the comments below. I love reading through them. Check me out on my Instagram page at Bohemian Magic Studios and also bohemianmagicstudios.com for more tips and tricks on how to live a magical life. I hope to see you back here really soon. Until then, have a magical day.